a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun. This is the easy way to play House of the Rising Sun by The Animals so that you can sing along. Now this song is normally taught to guitarists, but if you ever listen to the song, you'll know it's mostly driven by an organ. So we're going to take this song back for all the keyboardists, and there's only 3 parts that you need to learn. So the first thing you're going to play is this A minor chord here. Then we're going to go to a C major chord. Notice I'm using thumb, middle finger, and pinky. You can use thumb, second finger, and fourth finger like that. That will actually help you to go to the next chord, which is a D major chord. Thumb, middle finger, pinky, to an F major, thumb, second finger, pinky, then A minor, E, and those 2 chords again, A minor, E. Now, you'll notice in the song that those chords are broken up. So what we'll do, we'll go left hand, down, up, and then back down. And we'll do that for every chord. Break them up like that. Back to the A minor. This is normally played on the guitar if you listen to the track. A minor, and then finishing on the E. Just like that. If you want to hear that at speed, have a listen to the demonstration at the end. But for now, let's go to part 2. Similar chords to the beginning. A minor, to C major, D major, F major like we've learnt, A minor, then this is where it changes, C major, to an E major. Then we go back to those first 4 chords from the beginning. A minor, C major, D major, F, then A minor, E, back to the A minor. Once we get to that A minor there, we actually play part 1 again, because at the end of every verse, it's the intro chords. Now I'm going to show you a couple of tricks to spice up this part. What you can do, you have the option of doing what we did in the beginning, breaking up the chord, just like that. Or you can play like that. The important thing to remember if you're going to play it like this, remember the feel is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? One other thing I'm going to add, as the song develops, you can change it up by changing the D and the F chord. Let me show you what I mean. So A minor, C, now here, D7. Let's make that, add that C note there. And then instead of an F major, we're going to play an F7 chord. You'll hear that the organ does this and it makes the song feel more haunting, I guess. So A minor, C major, D7, F7. And you can just add in those extra notes whenever you feel as the song goes on. For now, let's go into part 3. There's only 2 chords. We've got this A minor chord that we've done and a D minor. And this is just the ending. They just play through these 2 chords. A minor, just slowing down, D minor, finishing on an A minor. So if you can learn those 3 parts, you can play the whole song. I'm going to demonstrate 2 of the verses with the intro and the outro to give you a taste of what it can be like. But if you want to sing the other verses, just play what you learned in part 2 again and again. 2, 3, There is a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many a pure boy, and God, I know I'm one.